back to another video that I hope you guys enjoy. So yeah, doing the normal stuff. So guys, if Jonathan Skull and if you, Alex, you know who you are, and Amen, you know who you are, watching this video, well, your channel sucks. Yeah, your YouTube channel sucks. Yeah, brag. This one comes. And Smurf 2's walking up to me. Get a punch the camera. What are you doing? You just punched the camera, guys. Come on, dude.
Let's go.
Let's go to his. We're going to his house. Quinn's gonna be in the video because Quinn lives there. That Smurf 2's house. The little dude's house. We're going. I'm the leader of the Smurfs. Yeah, they really want to see the Smurf movie right now. The new Smurf movie, Smurfs the Lost Village. So, right now, my bike's sounding sick. Right now. Yeah. Oh, you Niptana with Niptana women. It's gonna be some J niggas in the lobby. Yeah, guys, so Quinn's jumping right now for some reason. And I'm losing connection in my internet. I'm moving around. Quinn! Making a YouTube video! What are you doing? Making your bike sound sick?
Yeah.
My bike sounds sick. You need two in to make it sound very sick.
Yeah, I know. Putting the other one in right now.
Yeah, your bike's awesome. Guys, he's got a
Diamondback EMX Viper.
EX bike, and it's a junior Viper.
Yeah, Viper Junior.
Yeah, and right now he's putting in those thingies, the water bottles, empty water bottles, because he wants to make his bike sound sick. But his bike looks sick and my bike looks sick, yeah.
And mine looks sick.
So now we're gonna go. Dude, come here.
Look how sick my bike looks.
Let's go show them the Xbox.
It's a BMX.
You want to?
Which Xbox?
Which Xbox? Dude. So guys, whenever you have those kind of wheels, it sounds the best.
Yeah.
But mine sounds awesome too. We're gonna go look at the thing now. Gonna see if we can. Go open it. We're not gonna play on it though, guys, because right now it's super nice out. Right here. Let's go. Look at mine. Come here.
I'm about to punch the camera out of my hand.
Yeah, he tried punching the camera out of my hand when we were driving to the mall. I call him Smurf. Doesn't he? That's ours. You know that, right, Gavin?
Wait, flip it upside down. That's the best way to do it.
Yeah, you flip it because I don't want to. Because this isn't mine. Yeah. No, you can carry it right now. Smurf.
So this one doesn't work too good. I like that one.
No, it works way better when it's driving because both of them.
Uh-huh.
Wait, ready, go. That thing sounds sick though, guys. My bike is a, I don't know, unknown. I think it's a Diamondback, I don't know, but it's not. There. My bike looks sick. Stop it. Went to Kendrick. Red wheels, awesome wheels. Yeah, guys, so, yeah, and we're gonna go biking pretty soon because his bike's ready. Quinn!
What?
Your bike ready?
I'm testing it. Yeah, he's testing it. No, it's not ready.
Oh, guys, it's thing fell.
You don't do it like that. You have to leave it a little fast.
What do you want to do? Drive down and...
Let's just drive around the loop once.
What were you doing, your book report?
Yeah.
I thought you finished.
No.
I don't do it that way. I do it the opposite way. Okay, guys, we're going to run the loop. A professional loop. Stop, dude, wait. Wait up. Let's go.
Oh, come on. Right when I stop. Let me listen to the back.
And guys, that's it for the video, and bye.